Cruz II may have gotten off on animal cruelty charges the first time he was indicted, but the government is going after him again in hopes that this time the charges stick. Not guilty, that is how Cruz pleaded in court this morning when answering to allegations that he was a gunman in a string of animal shootings in Jigo last year. He is facing 2 counts of animal cruelty with a special allegation of use of a deadly weapon in the commission of a felony, 3 counts of possession of an unregistered firearm, and 1 count of unsworn falsification. You may recall earlier this year, Superior Court of Guam Judge Michael Bordallo dismissed the first indictment against Cruz, claiming that the indictment failed to allege that Cruz had cruelly killed the animals. One of his victims was a dog named Pugwa, who was shot mere feet away from his front door. Cruz will appear before Judge Bordallo on July 25th. In court news, 2 men who assaulted a man in Anigua last month have been indicted by a Superior Court grand jury for murder. Harvey Cancel and J.K. Mikey Sukian were initially charged in court with aggravated assault. However, after it was learned by authorities that the victim in the case died as a result of the assault, those charges have since been upgraded, as a grand jury indictment lists 3 charges against the defendants: murder as a first-degree felony, conspiracy to commit aggravated assault with special allegations of use of a deadly weapon in the commission of a felony, and aggravated assault as a second-degree felony are now the charges levied against Sukian and Cancel. It was on June 29th that the 2 men ganged up on the victim, identified in court documents as Maverick. Police have since identified the victim as Santer Sukin, further stating that the autopsy revealed that he died as a result of blunt force trauma to the head. His death ruled a homicide. Court documents indicate that Sukin was struck with a metal pipe by Sukian, while Cancel kicked and punched the victim in the face and head. Up first in court was Cancel. However, there appears to be a conflict of interest as a court-appointed attorney has represented Sukian